Alright guys, so after a few long nights, very long days, the Amarok is ready to go to the spray booth. So I have to quickly get this thing out onto the street, ready for my mate from Unique Towing, Dano, to come pick up the Amarok and take this thing into my work. And ready for the big weekend of getting this thing in paint. So it'll be all the cab, everything except for the tray. I still have to do some bed liner on the tray and everything, but to get the cab back done, sealed and everything will be really good. So don't mind me, very tired, have put in some big hours trying to get this thing sorted. That way then it's ready for the booth this week. So had to do what I had to do, but got it done. So let's get this thing out on the street, get it to the booth, and then let's get some color on this thing. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. Pretty big one, this one, but the car's all painted now, the cab. Got all the tray bed lined everywhere it needs to be, so this can bolt on. Where it's white, it's going to go purple. So pretty straightforward. Tailgate's all done. Have done a heap of work to this thing. So just waiting for Tuesday after work, and I'll follow the Amarok back on the tow truck from work, and yeah, the big one's going to be reassembling this whole thing back together and getting it all set up again, ready to drive. But super stoked with how it came out. The colour looks absolutely amazing on it. Far better than I thought it was going to. I was a little bit skeptical if I'd chosen the right colour, but it's really banger. So that'll be it for this video, and there should be some more coming in the future when we go to paint this tray, because I'll get it all bolted on, get the car running, going back together. That way then I can just drive the car into the booth and paint the tray. Saves me putting this into a trailer and damaging the bed liner and everything, where now I can just bolt it on the car, take it into work, give it a quick flick, and then it's all painted. Then I've got to do the canopy later on at a later date, but for now I'll just roll around without the canopy. Just need to get this done. So that's it, and we'll catch you on the next one.